Be sure to give them a like. Bet to get a crazy bass demo. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. All right, so what's your name? What's in here, man?
Hey, man, Jeremy. I got two FI SP4 V2 plus 18s on two Teraamps MD12Ks.
Nice. What are you wired to on the amp?
They're the half ohm model, so half ohm a piece.
Okay. This looks really good. What kind of box? Is that a, I don't know how
That's CounterTop Epoxy.
Really?
Yeah.
That looks really good.
Yeah,
I like it.
man.
Nice. Do you know how big your box is? It's definitely got a big port. Wow.
Yeah, it's 209 square inch port, tuned to 32 hertz. The box after displacement's about 15 cubic feet. Yep, 20 before and 15 after.
Yes, sir. All right. Wow. And the vehicle?
2007 Ford F-150 Super Cab.
Super Cab. Nice.
Or extended cab.
Extended cab, yeah. Did you do any SPL tests on it?
Yep. At 40 hertz, it'll do about a 53.
Oh, that's good. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, not too bad. Always room for improvements and gains.
Yeah. Are you planning to eventually seal that all here? Or
Yeah, I actually have panels made. Yeah, but
okay.
I actually have a new enclosure design from Baseaholics for a 6th order.
Oh, so you're going to actually change it up?
I'm changing it out, yeah.
Okay.
But I still can use the same panels.
Yes, sir. All right. Awesome. Yeah, I would love to hear it. This looks good.
Awesome.
Got some roof work. I'm sure you've been trying to stop the flex.
Yep.
You know,
6
breaking
layers
apart.
of Vibraflex up there, a couple pieces of Ultra board, and the brace.
Okay. What kind of cone or cone is that? That's pretty cool.
The Dreddens.
Okay.
Dredden carbon fiber cones from Italy.
I'm gonna look at the back real quick.
Absolutely. I didn't even see who was in there, brother. Come on, Jake.
We got Josh coming.
So the spice, all this inside the app.
Josh separated the spider, so I gotta reglue it now.
Did he?
Look at Ruckus gonna fucking blow it.
he just got Jacob in his car.
It's really good. Yeah, I was just looking at everything, sorry. Wow. Oh, thank you. That is even sweet, even at the bottom.
Yeah,
wow.
Before I made an upgrade, I had one Titan 8 battery, and I had the wiring and everything, distribution blocks all back here.
Yeah.
When I upgraded the battery bank, I wanted to put it in the back.
Yes, sir. Wow. That looks good.
You can actually see when the sun hits it how it looks on this side. The whole thing's sparkled out.
Yep. Wow. Be sure to give them a like. Bet to get a crazy bass demo. How you doing? Good.
Second passion. I know some bitches that stay ready for that action. I'm a boss, I'll pay you double what you asking. She said some pussies in my city, so they looking for me. Got a chicken in my kitchen, now she talking on me. Go to me down on it, mama started looking like me. I'm a money, wanna see, I'm on it, fucking with me. She on me,
No heat, no heat on there at all, man.
What kind of cone is that? That's pretty cool.
The Dreddens.
Okay.
Dredden carbon fiber cones from Italy.
What version of the S4?
V2 Plus.
V2 Plus, the double back.
Yep, double slug, yep.
Nice job, man.
Awesome, man.
Good job with the bill. Nice to meet you. Glad to help.
Thank you, dude.
Thank you for watching.
Honored to give you a demo.
Yes, sir. Good job, man. I appreciate it. And good luck with the 6th order.
Sixth order, definitely.
Yeah,
definitely.
man. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you, dude.